Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. Firstly, you have to go to Settings, then you have to go to the System section, go to the Backup, then you have to turn on this feature Backup to Google Drive, and what you have to do next is to add a Google account. You will need the internet connection for this, of course. Next you have to type your email or phone number here. Next you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with the Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, you have to just tap Accept here, and your phone will be ready to be backupped here, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.